The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in.
Excuse me. Today is Friday, December 6th. Eric, good morning. Pascal, good morning. Trial members, good morning and welcome. For most of you here on trial, I got the link. Thank you, Dennis. Good morning, Andrew. For most of you guys that are here on trial, your trials will end today. There are a few that will carry over into Monday or Tuesday, but the vast majority of you will end today. And I will send you out one final email as soon as we close the room, just with totals. Yesterday, there were no trades on the algos, 3.1, 3.2, or 3.3. One trade in the ES. There were 5 trades in the little scalper, and that little scalper was profitable. Other than that, order flow was abysmal. I sent you guys that are on trial an email, and I'll reiterate. I try to trade 100% transparently. When I have a great day and when you receive daily email updates and I have a good day, you hear about it. When I have a bad day, you will hear about it and see it. I don't know of any other room that will do that. None that I'm aware of. In any event, it was a tough trade yesterday. I was down. Thank you, Andrew. And that's trading, guys. Volume was abysmal yesterday. And coming in today, it isn't much better at this point. 47,000 contracts traded in the overnight session. Normal average at 8 a.m. is 68,000. Now, we do have non-farm payrolls at 8:30, so that could change things. Excuse me. Good morning, Hubba, by the way. In any event, we're here. We'll trade to the best of our abilities, and we'll see what we can come up with today to wrap up the week. Typically on Fridays, I do not do a whole lot of trading. My goal is to be green and just get gone. Can't come back tomorrow and do it again. But overall, it's been a very good week. Order flow trades are up nice. The algo is up on all the settings, with the exception of the ES, but it's down minimally. Today, pay attention, especially if you're on trial. Today, I will be trading the 40 range scalp algo on a PA account. So I'm going to trade it on a funded account. For my members that have the algo, please pay attention. There is an anomaly that occurs, not always, but I have noticed in Apex especially, not so much in Buellnox, although it happened to me once yesterday. For some reason, oftentimes or at times, whenever you're trading an Apex account, trades will execute, but they do not plot a stop or a target. I'm sure you guys have experienced that. So for those of you guys that have asked, I have worked very closely with the programmer, and in order to solve a problem, we must be able to duplicate the problem. The problem does not occur in a live cash account. It has never once occurred. It has never once occurred on Market Replay. And it has never once occurred in simulation. Can't get it to do it. It only occurs if you're running an Apex account, and to a far lesser degree, a Buellnox account. It happened to me once yesterday with Buellnox. Now, it took 5 trades on Buellnox yesterday. 4 times it plotted targets and stop. No problem. And 1 time it did not. Now, I don't know if there's some kind of disconnect or glitch this is all with Rithmic now. I don't know if there's a disconnect or a glitch with Rithmic simulated data. And one of the guys reached out to me day before yesterday. And what I am doing is I am running the 40 range on a simulated account with a copy trader to a PA account. So the simulated account will be the lead account. Okay, are you guys clear? So what I'll do is when it takes a trade, of course, I'll show the trade, and then I'll show it on my PA account. All right, just so you guys know, I'm not bullshitting you. I'm trading it on a PA account. All right. So for those of you guys that are here on trial that may be considering purchasing the algo, I'm going to show you that I'll run it on accounts. It happens to you in algo. Yeah. So it never happens in your sim account. Ed, I just explained that. I understand that. Okay. I have worked with the programmer literally hours, and we have done it on a cash account, a live cash account. Doesn't happen. We have done it in market replay. Doesn't happen. And it does not happen in a sim account, as you just pointed out. So, using common sense, you want a sim account to be your lead account. That's what I'm doing today. We'll see if it happens. It should not. The person that reached out to me on Tuesday or maybe Wednesday did it as I'm suggesting yesterday and had no issue. I don't know what the issue is. Okay, so if you're trading a cash account, there's no issue. If you're trading a simulated account, there's no issue. In any event, let's move on. Non-farm payrolls, 8:30. We're not doing anything until 8:30. Let me read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts and we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. We're off. We're into resistance here with 300 buyers. $400. Watch the lower high here. Here's a short here at 85. 85 short. We got 86. 85 is the short. Buyer stepped right back in right at the break. Doesn't help. We have a Fed speaker, so buyers right back in. We held the 50% retracement on that 1 minute. We're going up, going up, going up. All right. 1 for 1 on the, here is the scalper. Here's the scalper. And here is the equivalent. Bear with me 1 second. There's the equivalent on a PA chart. So I'm running a sim account as the lead. This PA account is the follower. Okay? The follower account got a better trade. Seriously, where have you been? Nice to have you back in the room. Guys, it's this damn gold chart. You're up 550. Nice job, Andrew. It's this damn gold chart. I reset it, and it's still calculating all the support and resistance levels. Anybody short? Holding this little support here. It's nothing. Anybody short? Okay. Going to get a little bit of support, guys, around 91.50, 91.75. Next 2-minute bar is in 49 seconds. They're selling them. I'm trying to go below 4,800 net buyers now. Okay. A bunch of you have a runner. Nice. Let's get below 4,800. Keep selling them. Trade any runner as you see fit. Here we go. Come on, baby. Break it down. Come on. Come on. Yeah, we bounced a little ahead of that area. We bounced 94-ish. I had support a little bit lower than that. Nice job, Eric. See you on Monday, brother. Come on. I love the Ninja Renko for scalping. He's talking about interest rates coming down over the next year. Lower high. Come on, 85. We could get 67, which is yesterday's high, if you guys want to be uber aggressive. Let's do this. I'm going to put this puppy down here at 69. I'm going to put a red line at 85, which is where I had or pink line, where I had my target. And you guys can decide if we get to 85, right? You guys decide how to trade the free trade yourselves. If we get to 85, do you want to hold it for, maybe a complete breakdown? Now this could pop back up to 15. We could go back to 15. So if you want to kill your trade, your prerogative, you know, we're in a fairly strong uptrend with an idiot Fed speaker. And we're going to have some support here at 07. If we come back up through this 50% 19 level, we're going back up. All right. I'm going to kill this here, guys. This is where it'll have to die. All right, I'm flat. If we go back through that area here, we're probably going back up to 29. I would probably try a long, maybe 22 with a 29 target. 22 with a 29 target 1. We'll call it 28.50. So we're hitting this 25. That's right where the resistance is. If it pops this, we'll get that target. Come on, rat shit. Let's go. Man bun wearing, skinny jean wearing wimp. Let's go. No disrespect to you, man bun wearing, skinny jean dudes, but not for me. Yo. Seriously? Muscle it up. Let's go. Come on, take out that 1 minute swing at 23. Let's go. There's target 1 hit and filled on 3.2. So we got at least target 1. Volatility sucks. But if we get target 2, that'll work. Here we go. Auto trail is kicked in. Come on, give me that tuck and target. Let's go, big guy. Come on. Come on, big fella. Push. Looks like we're going to get taken out on the trail. She came close. All right, doinked. 2 trades up 410. This is the third trade on 3-3. There's another target. Both targets hit 3-3. And we are breaking down here. There we go. All right, guys. ES on the algo hit a second target. Let me just make sure my copy trader got me out of everything. It did. I'm flat. Up 300 here on the ES. I'm glad we stuck around. You guys on trial got to see another trade on 3-2. Up 725. So here's where we're at. I don't have any trades on 3-1 because I missed the trade. Right? It's only taken one trade, as has 3-3. 3-3 is up 645. And 3-1 would be up as well. But I was locked out of Ninja waiting for that chart to update. But you guys, we've had 3 trades on 3-2. And as of this moment, I want to give you some numbers for those of you that are on trial that may be interested in joining. Okay. Hang on one second. Algo 3-1 this week. And again, there's a winning trade that I can't count. Did 660 plus 290 is up 950 for the week. Three two 525 plus 225 plus 725 plus 725 minus a 40 is up 2160 for the week. 3-3 is 810 plus 325 plus 610 plus 645 today is up 2390. 40 range is 605 plus 600 minus a 375 plus a 500 plus a 200 today. 1530. My order flow trades were 2460 after yesterday's loss, plus 1200 today, 3660 for the week. Not my best week, but if you guys don't have enough factual evidence to be a member in this room, then I have no idea what you're looking for. I'm putting that out there. I have traded transparently. I have shown my losing trades. Yeah, Brett tracks me pretty close daily, he said. But if you guys that are on trial decide to go your own way, I wish you well. I will leave the room open for a little bit longer in the hopes of getting a trade here. Let me just send an email. Hang on one second. I got to send an email, guys, to a member. I don't know if he's in the room or not. All right, Eddie. Hang on one second. guys. Okay. All right, guys. I'm just going to leave this on in the hopes that we get a trade. I'll be back in about 5 minutes just for the hell of it because it's the end of the week. I will do this. All right, so 3-3 was up 645. So today we had one trade, one winner, 100%. 645 was the high water mark, and 645 is where we're at. No losing trades so far through 1, 2, 3, 4 trade sessions. Up 8, 9, 10, 11, 17, 23, 2400 in the first few sessions. 3.2. Today took 3 trades, 3 winners, 100% win rate, 725, 725. We've had one losing trade on 3-2 this month. And 3-1 I'm going to have to take as no trades. I don't have a trade. I'm not going to use other people's gross. So I'll have to put no trades. And last, well, not last, the 40 range is currently 3 for 3 today. And that is off. My PAs are done. So 3, 3, 100%, high water mark 300, 300. 5 for 5 is 100%, and 4 for 5 here is 80%. Last but not least is the ES, which I moderately care about. Two, 100, 300, 300. 3, 450, that's down maybe $400, nothing. ES is not my favorite thing to trade. Does anybody have any questions, guys, before we wrap it up for the week? I am done. For the week. Guys, have a blessed day. I'll see everybody.